Hello there. In this video, we will introduce self-service and its components. Once log into Lumenore with your credentials, navigate to self-service. First of all, we have Lumenore Connect. Its function is to connect data from various sources like Excel, Drive, etc. After that, we have Create Dashboard. It is used to create a dashboard using schema. Then we have Create Storyboard, which enables us to create, customize, and publish storyboard by integrating various dashboards. A storyboard can have multiple slides consisting various dashboards. You can connect multiple dashboards and create a storyboard. Next is Workspace, which gives access to published workspace and dataset. It is also used to share these datasets and schemas with other users. After that, we have AI Automated Dashboard. The AI Automated Dashboard feature enables users to effortlessly generate dashboards directly from schemas. By scrolling down, you can access the recent section. The development space contains all the datasets and schemas you created and the draft dashboards on which you recently worked.